After spending 13 days at the Arthur Road jail, will Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan finally get bail? In a few hours from now, we're expecting to get answers on that because the Mumbai Sessions Court judge will be in all likelihood giving his order on Aryan Khan's bail plea. The judge, and there are a number of scenarios here, the judge may say that the order is not ready and may give another date. In that case, Aryan remains in the Arthur Road jail under judicial custody till tomorrow. In case the judge grants bail to Aryan, he will be free to be released finally from the Arthur Road jail with certain conditions. If the court, however, doesn't grant bail, Aryan will remain in the Arthur Road jail. His lawyers will then file an appeal in all likelihood in the Bombay High Court. Aryan's bail plea order comes after days of heated arguments in the court. And to sum up for you all that's happened, the Narcotics Control Bureau has argued that it has incriminating evidence against SRK's son through drug WhatsApp chats. Aryan defended, claiming that no drugs were recovered from him and he was merely an invitee on the cruise party that was raided on October 2nd, from where he was detained. So it will be interesting to see what the Mumbai Sessions Court judge has to say. Last week is when we saw these hearings taking place, which is when the judge had reserved his order and said that he would pronounce the bail order today. If he decides by some circumstance not to go ahead and pronounce the order today, it will mean that Aryan remains in jail till tomorrow because that's when his judicial custody ends. Let's take this across to Mustafa Sheikh. He's joining us live from Mumbai with all the latest updates on the story. Mustafa, good morning. There will be a lot of focus on what the Mumbai Sessions Court judge has to say, but just round up for us all the arguments that have taken place so far by both the NCB and Aryan Khan's legal team.
Yes, of course, we all know that at a cruise party, Aryan Khan and his friends were arrested as there were drugs found from the possession of Aryan Khan's friend, and then NCB went on to arrest 20 people in the case, and they said that it's an international drug cartel and they want to reach to the root cause of it, and hence they need further custodies of Aryan Khan. They have very strongly opposed the bail of Aryan Khan even in the special NDPS court, which is the Sessions Court, but the court is going to pass the order today anytime after 11 a.m. and the court starts till the lunchtime, which is the 2:45 p.m. We'll have to wait and see all the arguments which were made by NCB, whether the court finds material in it or whether the arguments made by the defense that there was no possession or consumption by Aryan Khan, it's only a case based on a WhatsApp chat, is something which the court accepts. So these are things we'll have to wait and see about the order, what comes in. But yes, it will have a big ramification as the Aryan Khan has been booked under the sections of NDPS Act, and this case will also give some precedent to the upcoming cases of the NCB. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, we'll track the latest that comes in from the court. For the moment, thank you for joining us. Aryan Khan will be hoping against hope that he secures bail today. But here are the three likely scenarios of what could play out at the Mumbai Sessions Court. First, that Aryan Khan doesn't get bail because the judge says that the bail order isn't ready. Because remember, last week, the Sessions Court judge had reserved the order. In this case, Aryan Khan will stay in the Arthur Road jail for one more day because custody ends tomorrow and then there's another hearing. Scenario 2 is that the judge goes ahead and grants bail for Aryan Khan, which means that after 13 days in jail, Shah Rukh Khan's son will walk out of jail and head back to his home, head back to Mannat. Scenario 3, the worst possible scenario for Aryan Khan, is that the judge denies bail, agrees with the NCB's arguments, in which case Aryan Khan's legal team will then have to move the Bombay High Court seeking some relief for Aryan.